Hi friends, today we're going to be talking about collisions and the conservation of momentum. As we discussed before, momentum equals mass times velocity. And we also know that when we're conserving momentum in a collision, the total momentum before the collision equals the total momentum after the collision. So I'm going to show you a video of a scenario like this, and then we're going to create a qualitative equation based on the situation as practice. Let's see how this goes. So here we have a situation where I have two vernier carts, and these carts are going to collide. And then we're gonna watch the scenario and pick out where the momentum is before the collision and where it is after the collision, and then create a qualitative equation based on the scenario. Using a narrative to describe this situation, we have one cart which has a mass on top. That's the cart on your right, and the other cart has no mass on top. So the cart on the right is more massive than the cart on the left, and as they come together, they collide and bounce off each other. And so we're going to describe this in the conservation of momentum. Let's go back over to our notebook. And so in this situation, we have to identify where the momentum is before the collision. So I'm going to say that moving towards the right is a positive direction, and moving towards the left is a negative direction. So we have cart 1, momentum in 1, minus the momentum in 2. The reason why I put a minus or subtraction in there is that cart 2 was moving to our left, and I have designated right as being positive and left as being negative. So the velocity, which is a vector, is a negative quantity. And that is before the collision. After the collision, they bounce off in opposite directions, which means that momentum of 1 after, that little prime I put on top means after, is now moving in the negative direction. And the momentum of cart 2 after is in the positive direction. So our basic equation looks like that, and let's break it down to its pieces. That means that the mass of 1, velocity of 1, minus the mass of 2, velocity of 2, equals the negative mass of 1, velocity of 1, after, plus the mass of 2, velocity of 2, after. That's what that equation looks like. That is the qualitative equation for the scenario that we just watched. Hope you're having a wonderful day.